Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a bootable USB of any iOS file. So let's get started. To create a bootable USB, you will need an ISO file to boot into the USB, then download Rufus. Now open Rufus and select the ISO file. Make sure your USB is selected in device, then hit start. Our bootable USB is now created and you can use it to install operating system. To boot your PC from USB, just start the PC with USB inserted and press the function key depending on your motherboard which is shown on screen. Then select the USB. Now you can start the installation of operating system. I hope you all enjoyed my video, and if so, then consider supporting my channel. If you want to install Windows 10 with its product key, then see my last video whose link will be in description. Thanks for watching.